Welcome to the Nova Airmada channel, to the newcomers and to the usual suspects. Today's aircraft is the Delta Airlines Boeing 737-832 with winglets, with not only the Onward and Upward livery, but also the Atlanta Braves World Champions 2021 stickers as nose art for the aircraft. This aircraft is powered by two CFM International CFM56 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 27,000 pounds force or 120 kilonewtons. The exit limit for this aircraft is 189 people, but in a normal two-class layout, this aircraft can nominally carry 160 people. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 453 knots or 838 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 3,000 nautical miles or 5,600 kilometers with a standard payload. The aircraft was first acquired by Delta Airlines on June 14th of 2001. This time the aircraft was painted in the Colors in Motion livery and was registered as November's 3746 Hotel, which still holds today. During 2008, the aircraft would receive an upgrade by having winglets placed on the ends of the wings to improve long-range performance. Sometime in the middle of 2010, the aircraft was repainted in the current Onward and Upward livery of the post-Delta Northwest merger. The aircraft continued flying all over North America like this until early 2022, when it received the Atlanta Braves 2021 Champions Nose Art. This nose art was still on the aircraft as of January 2023. It is unknown when or if this will be removed. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft released in 2023. As you can see here, this is one of 3 production runs this aircraft has had of it in the 2007 post-merger livery. The Atlanta Braves Championship nose art is seen prominently on all 3. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you see, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.